In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube so it's gone from being the typical light or white theme to dark theme. Why do you want to use dark theme? Well, first off, the white or the light one, it's a bit hard on the eyes at times, in all honesty. It just makes your eyes ache from staring at the screen. The dark one, a bit easier on your eyes, but let's be honest. The reason why you want a dark theme is because it looks better. It's amazing. It's cool. It makes you look awesome. People walk past your screen in the office and go, wow, that person, they know how to use a computer because look, they're using dark theme. Let me show you how to do it. So the way to do it, top right, where you've got probably a photo of yourself, it might just be a silhouette. I've got my my logo. Click on it. Appearance, it'll either say light or it'll say device theme, but we want to use, you ready? Dark theme. Look at that, instantly better, easier on the eyes, looks awesome, and that's how easy it is to do. Change it back, click on the same little icon, appearance, then choose light theme or device theme. It'll probably be the same, but let's be honest, you never want to change it back, you just want to leave it in dark theme, and that's how easy it is to do, how to change YouTube to dark theme on your Windows PC or your Mac. As always, if you can like the video and more importantly subscribe to it, this will be fantastic. Helps me, helps you, helps everyone, and happy YouTube dark theming.